Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an Amazon favorites video. I hope you enjoy this. I love these types of videos, so I hope you enjoy this, and let's go ahead and get started on with the video. Okay, so to start off with this kind of like beauty related category, I want to start by sharing this mascara. I have been trying this out for a few weeks now, I think maybe a month, and I have been really loving it. So this is the Essence Lash Princess mascara. It looks like this, but I love this mascara. I feel like it gives me so much nice volume on my lashes, and this has been my go-to. Honestly, I've been wearing it so much whenever I put on makeup, and I've been really loving it. So if there's a mascara that you really want to try, I definitely do recommend this one. I will also have the links to everything that I mentioned down in the description below. Next, I have this 24K Gold Under Eye Patches. I love these. I feel like they make my under eye so relaxing. It's so soothing. If you leave it in the fridge, or if you have a little mini fridge and you put it in there for a little bit, it just feels amazing. The next item I mentioned, I think, in a vlog. So this is the ecotools makeup brush shampoo. I have gone through a few from Amazon. I think this is the one that I've actually been sticking to the most. I love washing my makeup brushes because I just feel so much better whenever I brush them. So this is a reminder, if you have not washed your makeup brushes this week,
you should.
So this next product also goes hand in hand with this one. For the longest time, I would use a makeup brush and just like rub it against my palm or my hand when I would wash it, like after I put a little bit of shampoo and then wash it like that. And I think at some point I realized that that's probably not the best, and I found this super useful. I love this. I feel like it's really convenient, and
the amount of makeup that comes off of my makeup brushes,
because obviously sometimes I don't wash it for a week or two, so yeah, the amount of makeup that comes out, especially when I rub it against this, is incredible. So I highly recommend having something like this, and this is super affordable too. The next thing is actually a lash serum. I have heard so many amazing things about lash serums within the past like couple months, I feel like, and this past month, I think it was March, I actually ordered one, and I have been using this every single night, and I feel like I already see a difference. So I have been loving this because I feel like I don't have very full lashes, and I don't really typically use fake lashes. I feel like I haven't embarked on that journey yet, especially now where I'm not really going out and stuff, and I just want my lashes to naturally just look fuller and nicer. This is so amazing. It's a super easy thing to apply. I put it on every single night. Whenever I'm getting ready for bed at night, just before I go to bed, I'll just add this. Another product that I have been loving that I actually just started using is these. It's so relaxing. So I usually do these at night when after I get my face ready and my face is all looking oily and stuff at night before bed, because I'm applying all my oils and stuff. I just go in with this and roll around.
It just feels so nice,
especially when this is cold. If you have a mini fridge, which I really do want to get, but I feel like I have no space for, but if you do have a mini fridge or just your fridge in general and you want to put this in there for a little bit and then take it out and it gets cold and you roll it around your face, it just feels so good. And yeah, I really love these two. They are so nice. They have different colors too, but I went with the pink one and I really love it. So I definitely do recommend something like this for, especially for like a self-care night. This is so essential, so I really do love this. So this next product can actually fit in within this category too, I think. So this is the Vital Proteins Original Collagen Peptides. So this is a dietary supplement. I have been loving this. I have been using it a lot. I use it actually in my smoothies. As you guys have probably seen on my Instagram stories and also on just overall my vlogs, I'll be making a lot of green smoothies, and recently it's just been my favorite thing to do, so I love adding this. This has been something that I've been wanting to try for a long time. This is such a huge benefit because it's obviously collagen, and collagen is really good for your skin, hair, nails as we start to grow older, and this is so amazing. I love it. I usually add half of a little half of the little cup scoop into my smoothies and I'm good to go. You can add the full cup, but I just like to add half of it. I personally add this into my smoothies, but you can definitely add this into like your tea, your coffee, your just various different drinks. But I tend to drink a lot of smoothies more than anything, so that's the easiest for me. Okay, so this might be a little random thing, but this is a little set that I got from Amazon a while ago, and this is actually a straw set. So I originally got a reusable straw so long ago and then it disappeared on me and I was so sad. So I went back on Amazon like a month ago or so and decided to get a pack of straws because we don't have any here at home. So these little straws are from Amazon. They come in this cute little bag. It looks like there's like boba here or something. It just says sip sip. So this is an adorable little reusable bag, and then it comes with a bunch of straws. So I only pulled out like 2 to show you guys, but it comes with a lot in different sizes too, and styles kind of. They're all basically holographic, but that's just a personal choice because they obviously have different colors and stuff, but I really go for a lot of like holographic things. I don't know. So I really love this holographic little color that it comes with. So it comes in different styles. They also have the little cleaner. There's a few of these. I think there's 2 that came. So there's some that look like this that are bent. There's some that are just super tall and straight. I love using these in my smoothies, and also this is super amazing for obviously the environment whenever you are going to Starbucks, whenever you are going to anywhere to have a drink. If you just take your own straw, it honestly makes a difference. So I think it's super nice, and the fact that it comes with a little pouch is super cute. So next is more of like the desk space related. So I have a couple things. The first thing is this notepad. So this is actually a daily plan. I used to have a weekly plan. I'm not sure if I talked about that one, but this has been my newest addition since I finished with that one. So this is actually a daily plan where you specifically just write for every single day. I love writing things down, and sometimes I overwhelm myself and give myself too many tasks in a day. So I like this because it really keeps me more on track so that the to-do list is not too long, and then also you have your schedule on the side, so it gives you the actual time so you can make sure to put in your things that you're doing. So it's more of like a section scheduled thing versus just writing down what you have to do for the day, and you can also do that on this side. Then it has like today's focus, it has the date, and then it also has just a little notes section, and it has some meals and water. Then at the bottom right here, it has good things that happened today, and I love how small it is because it's really practical, and this is by the brand Two Tumbleweeds. Next, it's this phone holder that I have talked about before. This is from Amazon, so I thought I would put it in here again. But this is just a phone holder, and it's been a lifesaver. I love it. I love taking it everywhere. When I'm cooking in the kitchen, I'll have something playing on my phone maybe, and I'll put this on my kitchen counter, and I'll put my phone in there, I put my AirPods in, and we're good. And it's just so helpful. You can literally take it anywhere. I'll bring it to my desk, and it's just so convenient. You can really take it anywhere, and you can watch anything. You can just have your phone there. It's super convenient, so I do really love this. Next, it's a little random thing, but I have been loving this case for my AirPods. I didn't think I actually needed one, but then I realized that like my case would just be so much more protected if I actually got a real case. So this has been so convenient. It also has the little holder here, so you can attach it to your keys, you can attach it to your purse, whatever works best for you. I got this one. This is the brand Heyday, and then it's just a gray one, and it's just super quick to just open, close. It's super easy, and it feels super soft. Yeah, I just think it's so convenient. I really love it. It's definitely an essential for me just because I tend to drop things a lot, including my phone, my AirPod case. So this has been a huge help so that whenever I do drop, at least it lands on this kind of like silicone kind of feel cover instead of my actual AirPods case. So moving on to more of the fitness section, I want to talk about this little hat. I have been loving this hat. It is getting like hot out here all over again. So I love this. I took this on my Yosemite trip and it just reminded me how much I used to use this during the summers, because it feels so long since it's been summer again, and we're barely coming up with spring, so it's starting to feel summery again in California. So I love this hat. It is the only baseball cap hat I actually own, and it's definitely my favorite. I love this hat. It is just a Nike hat, and it just has the little Nike logo. It's just black and super simple, and I love it because you can pretty much wear it with anything. I've had this hat for so many years. It's actually been quite some time, and it's still my go-to. I'll take this on hikes. I'll take these on like any trips outdoors or anything like that. It's so convenient, and it's definitely my favorite. So if you're looking for like a baseball hat, like a cute, simple one, I think this would be perfect. It's definitely so cute and simple, and this is kind of like my go-to. So I really, really love this. I also want to share these. So these are my go-to resistant bands. I have done a workout week in my life, I think, on this channel before, and these are the bands that I have been using for quite some time. So this is the bag that it comes in. This is the Walito resistance bands. Walito, I don't know how to say it, but walito or walito, you get the point. But this is the brand, and this is the little pouch that it comes with. I really like that as well too. There is 3 resistant bands in here, so if you want to see me kind of like using them and stuff, I use them in my workout in a week. I'll link the video somewhere on the screen. I forgot the video. They definitely make me put in work when I use them and work out. So I definitely do recommend, if you're looking for resistant bands that are not gonna fall off, I do definitely recommend these. Okay, so last category, I want to talk about tech. So this I'm so excited about. So the first thing I'll mention is the microphone that I'm actually using right now. So the microphone that I'm using right now, I'll have a clip of this because I don't have it with me right now since I'm using it, but it comes in this little bag. I have had this microphone for so long, and for the longest time I did not use it because I couldn't figure out how to use it, which I don't know why or how, because it's so simple. But I started using it a couple years ago, I think last year or something, and it was a huge life-changing moment because every now and then I really get great comments about like the audio quality, and I'm super happy to share this one with you guys in case you're interested. I know a lot of you guys might be content creators or just, you know, are interested in getting a better mic or whatever. This is such an affordable mic. I love it. And as I mentioned, it comes in this little pouch. It's super easy to use. I just attach it to my camera and you just put it on, and that's pretty much it. The little red light will go on. It's super easy, and it's just such great audio quality. I definitely do recommend it. The other thing I do want to mention is the tripod. I'm currently using it right now, but it's definitely my favorite. I love this tripod. I'm using it right now with this big camera. I usually tend to use it whenever I film sit-down videos or any type of video. Honestly, I'll still use the tripod whenever I use my vlog camera, but also with my big camera especially, just because my big camera is bigger and this tripod is really, really sturdy. I love it and I use it all the time, so I definitely wanted to mention that. The other tripod that I do also love, and I think I got this like a year ago, is actually my vlog tripod. So this tripod right here that's holding my vlog camera right now is by far just the best tripod I've ever had when it comes to small tripods.
This is the sturdiest thing ever.
It's definitely so affordable. I used to have a different tripod and a different camera, different small camera, and I used that for a long time, and then when I changed to this camera, I still use the other tripod, but then I was watching Claudia Zalewski's video and she shared a tripod, which is this tripod, and I was like, I need to try this, and I will never go back. I love this tripod. It's definitely so sturdy, so perfect. I feel like this is just the best tripod to have whenever you're vlogging, and it just makes me feel so secure when it comes to not dropping my camera. So this is the brand Manfrotto, I think. It looks like that, and I'll insert an image, but it also has this red thing right here, but it's so perfect. It really, really is so sturdy. I have put it down in like crazy places in order to record and stuff, and it'll just do amazing. It has no scratches whatsoever, so I really, really love this. So the last thing that I want to talk about with you guys is like home related stuff. So first, I just want to share these pillowcases are by far my favorite. I've gotten a few comments and DMs about this and I really love this. This is from Amazon. I actually bought the pillowcase separately because it is a pillowcase. I just said that. But this pillowcase is amazing. I love it. I will link it down below. It just looks so cute. Definitely goes with the vibe that I'm going for. And I also want to mention the one that I'm sitting in right now. So this one right here, you guys probably have seen both of these on my vlogs and stuff whenever I'm making my bed or anything. I love these so much. They're so cute. This one is also from Amazon and I love pairing these two together, so I definitely do love these so much. I definitely do recommend these if you're interested or looking for like cute little pillows, kind of boho style. I love these so much. So that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys for today's video. If you do like these types of videos, I can definitely do these every once in a while. Let me know if you like this video by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. I post videos every single Tuesday and Friday. Tuesdays I usually do vlogs, and then Fridays I do more like sit downs or lookbook videos, which a lookbook video will be coming very soon, which is why I mentioned that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know how your day is going and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video. Bye guys. My battery made it. Oh my god.